Hello, good morning students. Welcome to KR.com Memorial CBSE School, Mudu. This is your 4th standards English class. I am your Akshita Miss. Okay students, in last class we have completed adjectives, kinds of adjectives. How many kinds are there in adjectives? See, there are 4 kinds in adjectives. One is proper adjective, another one is descriptive adjective, and third one is quantitative adjective, and fourth one is numeral adjective. So here in last class we came to know about these 4 adjectives. So now apart from these adjectives we have some another adjectives. So let us see which are those adjectives. Apart from these 4 adjectives we can use some words as adjectives, and which are those adjectives and how we use those adjectives. Let us see this. See the use of some adjectives. So other words we use some adjectives as the words as some, any, no, much, many, a little, a lot, a few. These words we use as adjectives. So when we use some as adjective, so if the given sentence is affirmative, when the given sentence is affirmative, and when we describe the adjective, when we describe the noun with the adjective like adjective word some, the sentence it should be in affirmative sentence. Affirmative. So we use some in affirmative sentence. So some it is a adjective. So when we use this adjective some, we use adjective some. We use adjective some when it is affirmative sentence. Adjective some in affirmative sentence. So students, the sentence, which kind of sentence it should be? It should be affirmative. So affirmative in the sense the positive sentence. Affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. So students, for example, let us see how do we use affirmative sentence. How do we use adjective some in affirmative sentence? See, for example, the adjective in the sense the word which describes noun or pronoun is known as adjective. So see here. Okay. So you have a pot. Let us think that let us imagine I have a pot in my hand, and in this pot there is some milk. So milk is there in the pot. Milk is there. Milk it is now. So how much milk it is there? Some milk. So the kind of the sentence, which kind of the sentence is of which kind? It is the affirmative and affirmative sentence. There is some milk in the pot. Milk in the pot. There is some milk in the pot. So how much milk is in the pot? Some milk. How much? Some milk is in the pot. Okay. Let us have one more example. There are some boys. There are some boys. So the word which is telling something about boys, how many boys? Some boys. It tells the quantity. sentences. So students, we came to know that if the sentence it is affirmative and we have to describe the noun, so sometimes what we use some. So see, we came to know about some. So one more adjective, few other adjectives like any. One more word is there. We use any as an adjective. So when we use is any adjective, when the sentence it is questioning sentence or negative sentence, we use any in questions and negative sentences. When we use any in the sentence which is questioning sentence or negative sentence, then we have to use any. We use adjective any, in questions or negative sentence. So see, for example, let us have an example when we use any in questioning sentence and negative sentence. For example, okay, so let us take the same example, that is I have pot in my hand, and in that pot what is there we cannot visible, we are not able to see that thing what is in that pot. So someone asks me that is there any milk in the pot? So what they asked us is there. What they are doing here, they are questioning me. So is there any milk? So see here, the word any is describing milk. Is there any milk in the pot? In the pot, they have asked me the question that they have the doubt that is milk is there or not. So they wanted to know that is there any milk. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಪಾತ್ರೆ ಅದ, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಹಾಲು ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ, ನಾನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರಾಗ ಏನಾರ ಹಾಲು ಅದಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಎನಿ ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಟ್? ಎನಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ helped, it described milk in which sentence? In questioning sentence. So this sentence only we can write it in as a negative sentence. There is okay. So see here. There are some boys. See, are there any boys? So what we did? We questioned here. So students, here we came to know that where we use some and where we use any, and we have also dealt with the examples. So students, take it down. After taking this, I will discuss further words. Take it down. Okay students, next word, next adjective, which one we use as an adjective. So no, the word no we use as an adjective. And how we use this no adjective in a sentence? In which place we use this no adjective? So let us take it. We use no in the place of not any. For example, there is not any milk in the pot. So suppose the question they have asked that, is there any milk in the pot? So in my hand I have a pot, and this pot it contains no milk. In this pot we have no milk. So when it has no milk, what I have to say? I should say this pot has there is not any milk in the pot. So see here. There is not, in the sense negative sense, while saying negative. So it is giving us a negative sense. Not any milk in the pot. This also giving the same meaning that the pot contains no milk. And this sentence only we can say it in the different way, that is, there is no milk in the pot. There is no milk in the pot. So both the sentences they are giving same meaning. But what we did, in first sentence we have used not any, and in second sentence we have used no. But both the sentences they are giving negative meaning only. But the sentence, the words whichever we use are different. But we can use not any or no in the place. Both the words we can use to make the negative remarks about the noun. Okay, students. So next one, what we have? We have the word much. So much word, when we have to use and how do we use much? Much. We use much in the sentence. We use much and a little. We use much and a little with uncountable nouns. So we know which are uncountable nouns. So students, the uncountable nouns in the sense, the nouns which are uncountable, which are not able to count, are known as uncountable. So see here, much and a little, these two words we use for uncountable, use it uncountable nouns. So how we use with these words with uncountable nouns? See here. So suppose think that now you are in the home, I have given you so much of work. So you have to do much work in the home. So homework, all the teachers they have given homework. So you have homework, and now you have so much of work. So abundant work you have. So when you have so much of work, much indicates uncountable. So uncountable. We use much and a little with uncountable nouns. With uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. See here, example for much. What you have? You have much work to do. So what you have? You have. So I will say you that you have to do all the work. Then you have much work to do. So for that you have to begin your work earlier. I will say. So the word which is saying about the ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಚ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ. ನೋ ಒನ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೀಚರ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ನಾ ಏನು ಮಾಡೀನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅವತ್ತು ನಾ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ, ನಾ ಒಬ್ಬಳೇ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೌಂಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ a little homework to do. The word then indicates less work. It is indicating uncountable noun. It is indicating less. Okay students, here we came to know how to use more and how to use much and how to use a little. So students, next we have many and a few. So this we will discuss after having this, after having no, much and a little. Take it down. After that we will discuss many and a few. Take it down. Okay students, now we have completed much and a little, and now we have many and a few. See, these are opposite words. Much indicates too much of a word. A little indicates less. So many and a few are also used opposite meanings. Many in the sense use and a few in the sense less. So much and a little we use for uncountable nouns, and many and a few we use these words for countable nouns, countable plural nouns. They should be countable plural nouns. So next words which you have, we have many and a few. So where we use this many and a few. So many means lot, and a few means less. So these words we use for countable plural nouns. So see, we use many and a few with countable, not singular, it should be plural. Countable plural nouns. Countable plural noun. We use these words. See, for example, it should be countable and it should be plural. See. So, in your class, many boys are there in your class. So, many the boys, are they countable or uncountable? Can you count the boys or not? Can't you? Yes, we can count the boys. So, boys, they are countable. How many they are? They are many. So, what we did, we can count the boys as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. 1 boy, 2 boys, 3 boys, 4 boys, 5 boys, 6 boys, we can count. So, when it is possible to count and when it is plural noun, then what we have how to use many. See here. There are many boys. See here, boys. What is this boys? What it indicates? It is saying plural noun. Boy is noun. So boys is the plural form of boy. So there are many boys in our class. So many is indicated. What it describes how many are they? How many are there in the class? So a few. So boys are many in the class in the sense how girls. What is the counting of girls? They are obviously few. Boys are many, but there are a few. So the strength of the girls is a few. Few girls in our class. So a few it indicates lessness. One girl, only 10 girls, only 4 girls, 5 girls. Girls are counted. 1 girl, 2 girls, 3 girls, 4 girls. Like this we can count the girls. So for that, when you have to tell less, and if that noun it is countable, and if it is plural, then you have to use few. If the noun it is plural and countable, if it is more, then you have to use many. Okay, students, we came to know about many and a few. How we use many and how we use a few. We came to know. So students, in next what we have exercise. So students, in next class we will do the exercise related to these adjectives. So today this much is enough. In next class we will discuss further.